Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina and my YouTube name here is Crochet Gal. Alright, in today's video we are going to learn how to do the half double crochet stitch, and it is very simple. Okay, let's begin. Alright, as always you are going to yarn over first and put your hook into the second stitch from the hook. Okay, that's a given. So you're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3. And there's your half double crochet stitch. All right, let's do another one together. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, and that's half the size of the double crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, it's very easy. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And there you go. There is the half double crochet stitch. Thanks for watching and have a great day.